Alright, new build. 1953 Chevy Panel Wagon. See what's in the box. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead Model Building. Only had one vote on the 53 Chevy Panel Wagon. We're going to see what's in the box. Let's get her open. Alright. Got a body in white. Looks like everything is molded in white. There you got seats, hood, that kind of stuff on that one. For the interior and undercarriage, rear axle, floor panel, back door, side doors, frame, exhaust, brake drums, engine, parts, radiator, front axle, even comes with tools right here. There's some tools, steering wheel, glass, and your chrome. 2 drag slicks, 4 regular tires, and your decals, and your normal instructions. You can build the engine in two different ways. You can build the car in 2 different ways. That's what's in the box. Now I gotta sit back, figure out what color I want to paint it, and get it cleaned up for paint. We'll go from there. So that's what's in the box for the 53 Chevy Panel Wagon. Kit number 4189 from Revell. We'll see how this model building goes. Alright. Short video, but we're getting started. But just remember, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some just videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.